No intro today. We're gonna hop right into it because this might be the shortest one I ever do. I gotta pick up my fiance shortly. So, but while I'm waiting for the queue to go, I said I might as well hop on for the day, do a little something. So, so at any moment, if I gotta leave, that's probably why. Just hop on. Okay. So while I'm waiting, 'cause we gonna have to leave in a minute. Okay. So while I'm waiting, I'm gonna do a little something before I have to go. So here we gonna do. Go to my scene, right where my characters is in the club interior. Let me know if the air is too loud. But here's my character so far. I use MetaHuman for her, but I hate how this look. So we still might edit this. But right now I'm gonna work on him. Uh, and I'm gonna work on putting him on clothes. So that's what we're gonna do. So we'll actually drop back and let me go into content. And I'm going back and forth with using, okay, actually, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually make a new level and we're going to level blank because I want to say, let's go into a blank level. I didn't. So I'm gonna have to add some lights. So let me do all of that real quick. I don't think there's no lights in here. Nope, it's a blank level. Okay. So I'm about to add some lights. Go to, I always forget where, to somewhere out there. Make sure add, no, that's not what I'm looking for. It's one of these. There we go. Gray light, boom, boom, boom. Right, all of that, right? There's no, we'll do a landscape, create fill. Should have did that. I don't know why it didn't make my landscape for me. Hmm. Landscape. Should have. I don't know why this is acting weird. Now it's acting dummy weird. Great. But it should have made me a landscape. I don't know why it didn't do that. Ugh, you know, some tweaking on her, bro. I don't even know. I'm about to get out of this. Cause I probably should have never. But for some reason, this landscape ain't working. Yeah, this is frustrating. Yep, go to landscape, drop down, choose landscape, create in the landscape panel, select new. I don't know why it's not even showing anything. Kind of frustrating. What the heck? So we found it. Whatever. So, so we're gonna take our minute human, minute human T, right? Find dude, and we're gonna make sure he is. I don't know. I'm gonna zoom in on. All right, finally. So I gotta find some clothing because I want to start working on trying to make some clothing for this guy. Uh, so that's the next thing I'm gonna do. Let's say we do. Okay. I'm just trying to find this guy's clothes. Hmm. So I'm just looking for some clothes for this guy. So let's say if we do something like this. Ah, okay. Here they go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw this in here. See what this is, because I'm not for sure. Okay. Import. 'Cause I just want to see. I don't even know what this is. I probably should have did a better job labeling this. So let's see. Ah, look at this. Stuff Eddie. Okay. So hold on real quick. Sorry, I'm just going back and forth on some stuff on my text, making sure my fiance straight. I just wanted to hop on here. I wasn't really on here. I'm trying to experiment with something, so I just wanted you guys to see it. But I guess today ain't the best day. Okay, let me hop back in here. See this. So I need to put this all together. So I'm gonna go to line. I think this is how it's done. Then I believe I could bake this all together. This might be not be a good idea, but let's see. Think. Let me see. I done made this crash. It's not one of them days today, guys. We're having a day, ladies and gentlemen. For some reason, this is crashing. Because I didn't even do anything and it's acting dummy weird today. Which is fine. It's one of those days. Just put you in the center. So we're going to accept that. Okay, so I want a back transformation. Let's try this now. Back full scale. Okay, let's try it out. I think that's how you do it. Oh, no, that wasn't it. It was that. I made a mistake. No. It's okay. I don't know if I did that right. I don't think this is right. I think I was supposed to do this. No. That might have been it. Let me see. No. Because I'm gonna move this all on the photo. Nike. Good. So I guess with this, the only thing with this is kind of weird is oh yeah, yeah, when it's hoodie up, it's the next thing. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna try to find something else. Uh, try this out. Actually, gonna delete all of this. Yeah. So we're gonna do, we're gonna just grab this in here, put this in here, just a little shirt. Boom. Right. We're going to rotate the shirt. Boom. We're going to go to X4, edit pivot, put it in the center, accept. Boom. I don't even know if this is a man's shirt, but just wanted to try to follow this. Okay. So I'm follow this tutorial. I want to do fab, got like a just a shirt, cause I'm just trying to really play around, learn how to put shirts and other stuff like that on. Um, so let's say if I just do like something free, uh, just add that to this product. Let's try this out, right? Let's try this out. Yeah, and then we're gonna bring you over. Boom. All right, so let's try this out. Still got to edit pivot, center. Boom. Bring you up, down, back, up. So I'm gonna follow this tutorial now. So see here. So what I'm gonna try to do is bring him out. Okay, so we got some areas that probably needs to be fixed. Like I said, I'm just learning how to do this for the first time. All right. This is wild. So I was trying to fix this, his arm area. Okay. Skeletal to static mesh. Okay. So gotta pick up my fiance. Again, this was a boring episode. Just wanted to be on here. What I'm trying to do is I have the Meditator as I showed y'all before, Meditator, where I could put the clothes on right away. It's 30 some bucks a month, like 35 bucks a month. And I was watching YouTube tutorial this weekend showing or yesterday showing me that you could do it without you could do it yourself. The thing about it is I thought it was harder than what it was, so I never truly tried. So I just wanted to try myself to put a shirt on someone, maybe some pants, just to see uh, if I could do it and turn into like a Meta clothing asset. Um, yeah. So that's what I wanted to do with this. I probably return to try it again tomorrow, but or later on today. But yeah, that's my goal is just to see if I could do it fairly easy from here. So then I could cancel that because ultimately I'm going to start using I forgot what it's called. Marvelous Design, and I want to start making my own clothes because a lot of clothes on Fab and a lot of other things is not really. They're pretty generic clothes and they're not really cool. So I want to make unique clothes, kind of specifically that fits my story, more hood type of clothes, and I don't see that in here. So my goal is to try to start learning marvelous design. No, the thing about that is it's pretty expensive as well, and I'm not trying to spend 35 over here, 40 some over here, because that's the other one. It's like $40 a month. So, and I'm willing to try it out, see if I can learn it, but I'm not trying to do both. So I think using Marvelous Designer might be a better bang for my buck. And then I can learn how to turn these skeletal meshes or static meshes or skeletal meshes into metahuman clothing. So that's my goal probably for this week, is to figure out the clothing. So I hope y'all stay connected with me. I'm sorry this episode was kind of boring and not really me focused. But I was trying to go back and forth with my fiance to see what time she wanted me to pick her up, and she was asking me a couple other questions. So, uh, yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Uh, maybe later on tonight, but for sure tomorrow.